Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Randolph County, Cleveland County, until 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:19 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Piedmont to near Lake Wedowee, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Heflin, Wedowee, Lake Wedowee, Ramburn, Fruithurst, Edwardsville, Woodland, Morrison Crossroads, Corinth, Muscadine, Abernathy, Foster's Crossroads, Mars Hills, Graham, Newell, R.L. Harris, Dam, Coleman Lake and Campground, Tennant, Shrickham and Lake Cleburne. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for northeastern and east central Alabama. For your protection, move to an interior.
You can't do that to me. Cleveland County IRL.